Hey guys, it's Red Tie, and today I will be unboxing this Luna Lovegood action figure from Harry Potter. 2, 4, 6, 8, who do we appreciate? Tigers! Tigers! Yay! Many thanks to the E2 Take engine for providing me with this doll. Please go check out his channel and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. So you open up the top of the box and then you pull it out. And then it comes with this, and it comes with the Luna Lovegood action figure, and a doll stand. This Luna Lovegood is wearing her dirigible plum earrings, which Harry thought were radishes, her absurd spectra specs, and her blonde hair in a ponytail with a blue hair tie. She is also sporting her famous dark pink sweater jacket, the Quibbler, which her father, Xenophilius Lovegood, is the editor of, black skirt, blue leggings, pink Converse, and blue handbag. She also has a little purple ring. Now in this collection, you can get 5 characters. You can get Bellatrix Lestrange, you can get Luna Lovegood, you can get Ron Weasley, who has Scampers with him, you can get Hermione Granger, and Harry Potter, who has Hedwig with him. This Luna stands at 5 inches tall and can stand on her own, so she doesn't need the stand. And fun fact, Luna Lovegood is my favorite Harry Potter character. Her Patronus is also a bunny.